Winning doesn't always mean being first. Winning means you're doing better than you have done before. With this positive quote, myself Nandita D'Souza, presenting you the lesson Editing a Word Document. In this lesson, we'll be studying how the word processor software allows the user to edit a document. In the past, typewriters were used to type documents. The text was typed directly on paper, which made it difficult to edit or correct mistakes. Word processor software allows the user to edit a document. Editing means making changes in a document. Cut, copy, paste, undo, redo and select all are the important editing options available in Word. First we'll study how to open a saved document. Word allows you to open an older document if it has been saved. It can be opened and edited as and when required. The steps to be followed are: first you will have to click on the file. Under the file option, you will have to click on open. Then click on browse and select the document and click on open. The document can now be edited. Here, when you click on the file option, you will get these options. Under this, you will have to click on the open option. Then under my computer, you can see a browse option. Click on this. A new window will be displayed. Under this, select the location where you have saved your file. Normally we save it on the desktop. So click on desktop and select your desired Word document. Then click on open. Once your file is been opened, you can do the necessary changes needed. To make changes in the document, you have to select the text. Hence, we shall first learn how to select the text. There are two ways wherein you can select a particular word. First is double-click the word to select it, or click on the left mouse button and drag through the word to select it. Here, if you want to select Adele, you will have to double click on this particular word. Or if you want to select the word name, you will have to double click on the particular word name. What happens? That particular word here gets selected. Or the other option is, here you will have to click on the left mouse button and drag through the word to select it. So these are the two options wherein you can select a particular word. How to select a line? To select a line, you will have to press and hold Control key and click the left mouse button anywhere on the line to select it. Suppose I want this line to be selected. What I will have to do is, I will have to press and hold the Control key on the keyboard and click the left mouse button anywhere on the line to select. Suppose if I have to select a large area of the text, what are the steps involved to select it? First, click and hold the left mouse button at the starting point of the text. Now, drag it horizontally to select a line or vertically to select a large area of text. Suppose this is the text. I want to select from in till mistakes. What I will have to do, first I have to place the mouse pointer at the starting of the text. Then click and hold the left mouse button. Drag it horizontally to select a line or vertically to select a large area of text. What if I have to select all the text? For this, click anywhere in the document. On the Home tab, click on the Select button in the Editing group and choose the Select All option. Or there is one more method. Press Ctrl and A on the keyboard. One option is you have to click on the Home tab. Under Home tab, you will get the Select button in the editing group. This is the editing group. Here you have the Select button. When you click on that, you have the options wherein you will have to choose the option Select All. Otherwise, the other simple method is just press Ctrl and A on the keyboard. The entire text on that page will be selected. Suppose I don't want the selection. I want to deselect the text. What I have to do? Click anywhere on the selected text to deselect it. Just click anywhere. It will just get deselected. Now I've written the text, but I forgot to add one sentence in between the text. So I will have to insert text, right? To insert any word or sentence within the text, you have already typed. Position the cursor where you want to insert the new text and click. Now start typing. The use of insert key on the keyboard also helps to insert text. This is the text I have already typed. I forgot to add a sentence here. How to insert the text now? First I have to position the cursor here and then start typing the desired text. Suppose I have done one mistake in between the typed text. I have to delete that particular text. I don't want that text. Delete command helps to correct the typing mistakes. What are the steps involved? First, you will have to move the cursor before the first letter to be deleted. Press the backspace key as often as you need to until all the wrong text is deleted. You can also select the portion to be deleted and then press the delete key. The delete key too can be used for deleting text. I had some word here. I didn't wanted that particular word. So what I did, I placed the cursor in front of it and then pressed on the backspace key until all the wrong text was deleted. Now the other option is, suppose you don't want this allows, what you will have to do, select this particular allows word and press on the delete key on the keyboard. The next option which we are going to study is the move text or cut text. Cut is used to move the text from one position in a document to another using the cut paste command. For this, you will have to first select the text on the Home tab, click on cut. Position the cursor to where you want to move the text and then click on paste. The next option is copy text. Copy is used to create a duplicate of the selected text. You can copy the text from one position in a document to another using the copy paste command. The steps involved are: select the text. On the Home tab, click on copy. Position the cursor to where you want to copy the text. Then click on paste. How the undo command is used? Undo helps to reverse any changes accidentally made in the document. How to use it? To undo the last action performed, click on the undo button on the quick access toolbar. Click on the drop down arrow next to the undo button to choose a list of actions. Suppose you have typed something wrong. You want to go one step back. What you will have to do? You will have to click on undo option. It will take you one step back. What about redo command? Redo command is used to reverse the action that you have performed using the undo option. It is activated once you undo any action. First, this redo command is not activated. Only if you have used the undo command, the redo command gets activated and it reverses the action that you have performed using the undo option. What about paragraph indenting? Paragraph indenting is adding structure to the text. In a new paragraph, you may only want to move the first line. You can either use the horizontal ruler above the working area or press the tab key on the keyboard to indent the paragraph. If you want to move your particular paragraph this side, you can click on this and just drag it, or you can even use the tab key. In a Word document, you can insert the date and time. We all know in the Word document we can insert date and time. It adds the current date and time. For this, first you will have to position the cursor in the desired place. On the Insert tab, click on Date and Time in the text group. The date and time dialog box will appear. Select a date and time format from the different options and click OK. First, position the cursor in the desired place. Suppose I want the date and time to be displayed here. So I will position my cursor here. Then on the Insert tab, this is the Insert tab. On the Insert tab, click on Date and Time option in the text group. This is the text group. In this, click on the Date and Time option. Then you will get the Date and Time dialog box. This is the Date and Time dialog box. In this, select a date and time format. There are different formats here. Select whichever format you want and click on OK. This is how you insert date and time. So what did we study under editing a document? First, we saw in the past typewriters were used to type documents. The text was typed directly on paper, which made it difficult to edit or correct mistakes. Word processor software allows the user to edit a document. Editing means making changes in a document. Cut, copy, paste, undo, redo and select all are the important editing options available in Word. Then we saw how to open a saved document. Click on File, then click on Open, then click on the Browse and select the desired document which you want to open. Then we studied how to select a word. Either we can double click on the word or click on the left mouse button and drag through the word to select it. Then we saw how to select a line. We also saw how to select a large area of text. Then we came to know how to select all the text. We also saw how to deselect the text. Then we came to know how to insert any word or sentence within the text you have already typed. Then we learned about the delete command, which helps to correct the typing mistakes. Then we learned how to move the text from one position in a document to another. We even saw how to create a duplicate of the selected text. Then we came across undo command, followed by redo command, paragraph indenting, and finally how to insert date and time. I hope, my dear students, you are clear with this particular lesson, editing a Word document. Do subscribe to my channel and Kindle Kids Learning. See you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Let me wind up this video by teaching you one good habit.
Brush your teeth.